Hi, today I am going to answer the question. How have you been? I am okay, thanks. You have just bought a new outfit? I am not great. It have lost my big brown letter white negative. I have been feeling a bit under the water Thursday. I think it caught a cold. I am great. I have been going to take him every day. It feels much happier and stronger. I am happy. I be host booked a new jacket and shorts. So thanks his note is have been thanks for watching.